Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May Allah have mercy on you. Today we are talking about pure women in the world. Let's move on to the video. Please subscribe my channel and get the notification. Please press the bell icon. Thank you. Asiya alayhi salam was married to the worst of men, Firaun. Maryam alayhi salam gave birth to a child without intervention of a man. Khadija radhiyallahu anha was widowed twice. Fatima radhiyallahu anha lost her mother when she was young. The greatest women from mankind, and they were all tested beyond measures. When Allah loves a slave, He afflicts him with trial. Their stories are not mentioned for entertainment. Their stories are proof that when a woman is afflicted with trials, she can become a legend if she chooses to become stronger than what hurts her. They could have chosen to complain and be depressed and to live for the sake of it. But instead, they choose to have faith in Allah, and Allah illuminated their path, which was once filled with darkness. Subhanallah. If you like my video, press the like button and share your goodness with others. May Allah have mercy on you. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.